Hi guys, I am Asif Ali and you're watching CGHOW video. Today I created this very simple effect in UE5 Niagara. So let's start this video from scratch. And if you haven't subscribed my YouTube channel, please subscribe. And if you like this video, please like, share and comment. Thanks for watching and let's start this tutorial.
CGHOW. CGHOW.
First of all, subscribe my YouTube channel and also click on bell icon so you will receive all new video notification. So I have this empty folder and this is the reference I found on Mage's box, and this site is really heavy. See, I have a good internet but it still is not, buffering this video, and unfortunately I don't have any downloader for now, so I could download this video, but you can see this effect how it's going. We have a sphere, then this refraction ring, a wavy thing, then we have these rays, some particles. So let's create this. Okay, so I'll create a new level and save this. And for now I will use another material actually. Let's use this one. Yeah, this one. And my viewport is not rotating. What happened? I can just scroll my mouse. It's not rotating this. Let me just save and reopen this. Yeah, let me just reopen my project. Yeah, now I can rotate around. Okay, so first we need oh, we need a sphere. So M sphere, and I'll take Fresnel E for power preview. So we have this glowy edge, multiply, and not multiplier for now. T for texture, I'll take aura and preview this now, and then pan. Okay, now add this thing, and then we can use again a power if I need. Okay, particle color, connect this here, this here, and let's say for power I'm using opacity. I'm not using dynamic parameter. Okay, so that's it. And yeah, it has also fraction and specular. and this thing I will connect to here and here also. Save this. Effects. So first I need a mesh. So mesh renderer. The sphere and this material. Mm, Just once and life infinite and spawn burst one particle. So we have this, and let's say I use this color, and then this opacity is our power. This much, and make it local, and initial size. It is very small, so yeah, this much is enough. So we have this sphere here, and this scene is very dark, so I'll just rotate this light, and then update the light. Okay, for now. So next thing, what we need some particles around it, and those particles just going up, and yeah. So I'll just duplicate this, copy and paste. In this one, I need sprite renderer and radial, and then loop life. UE5 is very slow for now. It's preview 1, and it really takes time to compile shader every time I do something. Or maybe my project is very big. It has lots of things inside it. So I'll take the shape, and then here spawn rate maybe 200 for now. I will isolate it, and this is very small, and also particle size still very small, and I will use half hemisphere, yeah, because this is half under the this, so I don't need that. And velocity align, and like this random 10 50, and then velocity Oops. I think I have two modules same. Yeah. So linear velocity, I'll use random. Uniform range. Thirty, 30, 80, and then curve noise, 200, and live maybe 3 maximum, and then sides, just scale it down over life, and we'll randomize this. It's really taking time. Okay, so I need slightly variation in here, slightly here. Some are really glowing. Yeah, and velocity. I think this much. Yeah, so we have these particles now. And now we need some rays, these type of rays. And it's very fading. It's very fading from here. So I'll make a material for that. M rays. And so texture coordinate and Shift C for mask, then sign, not this one, sign. Okay, make it 2. Then I need, uh, if I take power, it can make it thinner. See, but I need thinner from bottom and wider from top. Not reverse. This should be bottom, this should be top. Sorry, this should be thinner, this should be wider. So I need one more mask, this time green, and if I preview, this is gradient top to bottom. So I can multiply this, then connect it here. If I preview now, we have this, and this is exactly what I need. Okay, then this should be faded from top. So I will, if I preview this, this is faded. So I can use a power to make it more fade. Then multiply this with my final output. This will also fade from top. So we got this. Okay, and now particle color. Additive, unlit, two-sided maybe. I'll browse this here. I will duplicate this emitter, copy and paste, and just change the material. And I don't need velocity or these things. And I need, for now, I'll just use non-uniform. and let's make it 50 and make it 100 or maybe even more. These are now rays, but this should face the sphere. And let me decrease this for now. This should face the sphere, and I think I have stressed wrong direction. 50. Yeah, now it is. Cool. Okay, so it should face that. So instead of velocity here, I'll use custom and custom vector. Then this is sphere, so I will use initial mesh rotation and orient to vector. Connect this with shape normals and also the pivot of my, and I will also take a line sprite to the mesh orientation, and let me check video first. These are just static, nothing is happening here. And so I will delete the spawn rate and I'll just take the burst, maybe 10 for now, and I'll increase size a little bit and just once and life infinite. Okay, so we need to rotate them 25. It's not working. Or you can just do one thing, take a sphere and make it lower, and now this is working. Okay, so this is working and this is coming out my sphere. And if you want exactly out of here, you can increase this pivot, see, 1.5, 1.1, and then need to decrease this. So these are rays. Okay, so we have now rays, and what else we need now? There is a soft glow outside this, so for that we will just use I'll copy this one. So this emitter, I'll remove velocity, I'll remove curl noise, size, make it like 5, make the sphere size maybe 1 or 2, and then uniform random, make it 1, 1, and here you can take scale, color, and curve, fade in, fade out, and this should be very, you know, very low. Still it's very, and this should also be, yeah. What I'll do, I'll take the align sprite to the mesh orientation and randomize the axis, so my glow will be like 3D. Uniform, -1, -1, -1, copy, paste it here. Still it's like 1. What happening? Let me pull it. compile. Still, it's just one, and it should not work like this. Oh, I didn't make it custom facing. Now my glow is 3D. But two things. In my material, I'll use depth fade, multiply, not much, just maybe 20. Okay, I think 20 is not enough. And I'll increase this spawn rate 50 and then decrease this to 0.2. So we have glow, but still we need a more depth fade. So I'll just reset this and save this. I don't know why it's not, but yeah, it's working. Yeah, so, and my sphere. Okay, no. So next thing is this wavy thing. So for that we need a material and a mesh. So I'll make a material M wave, and we need a mesh disk. So I'll search static mesh and disk in my project. What happened? Okay, so I have lots of disks. Let's try this first one. See, so I'll just preview this first one. I I think I need to make tutorials in separate project. It's really heavy. So I'll select this and I'll preview that here. So if I take texture coordinate, sorry, texture coordinate, mask, and preview this R, and we need G. So if I take the step node and make a dynamic parameter here, preview. So this is step node. If I make it 0, it is black, then 0.1, 0.2. Okay, so this is like fading, this is like wiping it, and I need a smooth from here, fading this thing. So what I can do, I can invert this and take a power, and if I preview this, this is how it is. Then I can subtract from this value. So this is fading from the center, and I can also put this value here. So if I increasing or decreasing, like it is 0, black 0.1, 0.2, 0.5, 0.8, it is increasing, and then we can also use a power here for how much we need this. So let's say I'll take the particle color also, and I just multiply this thing here, and this is my power. So first node is wipe, second node is power. I'll just save it. So I'll just duplicate first emitter because it has mesh and I need mesh now. And in this one, let's isolate. I'll use this disk and we need this wave material. Okay. And if I take the dynamic parameter, we have wipe and power. Let it compile. Okay. So if I make it by 0.5 and increase the power, see we have this thing, and with vibe we can increase or decrease this, and we can also animate this. Okay, so and this thing, oh, what I have done, this will be opacity and this will be translucent. Okay, so we have this thing now, like this is distorting. So for that we need to distort the UVs. So I will use a texture, blur, this blur texture, then multiply it how much distortion, and then add it to the UVs of my gradient. So this is distortion. You can see already distortion, but with this multiplier, this value, I can control how much distortion I need. Or I can make also tile parameter for this noise, but I think I don't require that. Okay, so refresh. This is how much distortion I need, and this is wipe. So if I make it this 0 and this 1, first we need to animate the wipe. How is animating here? From 0 to some value. So from 0 to maybe zero point 0.7. So I'll make a curve from 0 to zero point 0.7, and it has life maybe 1. Okay, and then the timeline, we need also this power at the end 3. So I'll make, or if I just use the 3 power, yeah, that will work. We don't need to animate the power. And then this is distortion. So distortion I need to animate. Okay, so we will animate it from 0.3 to like 3. So curve 0.2 and 3. And if I animate it to 1, yeah, we have this thing, and this is actually small very. So I will increase this. Why it's working weird? And we need actually fade in, fade out also. So curve, and also I will take scale, mesh, make it float, and curve from 1 to maybe 2. And I'll increase the life also. Yeah, now it's something now. And I will use spawn rate. It's freezing. What happened? It should not crash because lots of things will not save. Let me save all. Okay, so I'll use maybe 3 and then initial mesh rotation on Z, but it is very big, and also I will use this curve like this, and this is 40. Let's try 30. Yeah, we are getting things. Just we need distortion in this, so let me add that. I should not have converted my whole project into UE preview one. It's okay. So we have this, and I'll just take the LERP and connect this thing here in alpha and then refraction. And you can make dynamic parameter to control these. If I make it 1, just A and B. Have you guys tried UE5 Preview 1? Are you also taking your PC also taking same time in saving a small materials? Let me know in comment. Okay, so I'll just turn this on, and here if I just simulate this and pause it, so yeah, now it's working. But this should also be animated. So if I'm making this one 0, there's no refraction, but if I'm making it 2, so there is refraction. So I can even increase it like this. So I can use curve here. So let me use a curve. So initially like it has 5 for like 0.5, and after 0.5 it is decreasing. So you can see some distortion here, and it has also very bright line. So you can do that in material, in wave material. Whatever you have, you can just make it even. uh, I will use this one. This is H, and then multiply this with particle color, then add this on the particle color, connect it here, and after multiplying it particle color, I will again multiply with the parameter to boost the edge. So I will rename it boost, save. Let it just save. Okay, so here if I stop it here in dynamic parameter 2, I'll refresh it. We have this edge and boost. So if I boost it too much, you can see now we have this bright edge. And it should fade very softly. Actually, this will be 0 and then fade like this. And this refraction value, I'll make this just 2 and this is 0. So fading thing is not working quite well. So okay, so what I'll do in dynamic parameter, this is the boost value. I need to make a curve of this, and this will also decrease over life. So initially this is 100, then it is 0. So now you can see, you can make it even brighter from here, like I have 500 till 0.5, then it's fading. I will use maybe 10 particle count. No, 10 is too much. 5. And these rays not visible, just showing 1. So this is my rays. No, this is 0. This is rays. I will just make this determinism so it will spawn every time same. This is just not working well. Let me do it. It's taking time here to come. So and here, yeah, so need to animate this from 1 to 6, curve 1 to 6. Yeah, it's better now. Actually, this is very soft. I need to work on it. I think that's it. You got the idea how to create this. So I'm gonna finish this video now, and I'll just duplicate this and change colors maybe. So thanks for watching. Keep learning, and bye bye.